In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a page in Webador. First, log into your Webador account and make sure you are in the My Sites section. From there, click on the Edit option for the website where you want to add a new page. Once you are inside the website editor, move your mouse to the end of the Pages menu, where you will see the Add Page icon. Clicking on this icon allows you to create a new page. After clicking Add Page, you will see several templates that can be used as a starting point. If you prefer to create an empty page, simply type the name of your page into the provided box and click on the Add option. Once the page is created, you can start building it by clicking on Add Section and importing sections or elements from the left-hand side of the editor. You can customize these sections and add new elements as needed. If you want to create a page using a predefined starting point, click on the Add Page icon again and browse through the available categories. Choose a category such as Reviews, set a name for your page, and then click on Save. The page will be created using that template, and you can edit it further by adding elements or adjusting the layout. Another way to manage and add pages is by clicking on the Pages option at the top of the editor, where you can view all existing pages and create new ones using the New Page option. And this is how you can add a page in Webador.